Good morning. Today is day 5 of our cross-country road trip, and no, there was not a day 3 or 4 because we spent the weekend in Roanoke, Virginia, spending time with my family doing an early Easter. So we're back on our road trip now. We're in a new state. We have crossed into West Virginia, and today and tomorrow we're going to be spending time at New River Gorge National Park. The first stop today is the Canyon Rim Visitor Center, which opens at 9 a.m. It is 9:15, so we're doing really good on time today. And let's see what kind of adventures we can get up to on this cloudy and a little bit rainy day.
We're gonna have so much fun there.
Okay, good. I hope so. What's out the window?
Storytellers. It's been said that a river is like a river.
Perfect. Good job. Yep, we only need one. We only need one.
No, I don't want to be. Well, I want to go over here. Mommy, I want to go for the one.
Careful. All right, we just finished up at the visitor center. They have a movie in there and lots of cool exhibits and beautiful views, and there is a boardwalk over to bridge views with a lot of stairs. You can get to the first observation deck with a stroller. It's flat, but then if you want to go to the other observation deck, there are a bunch of stairs, and it did start pouring rain while we were down at the viewpoint, so that's great. So we're all soaking wet, and now we're not too bad, but we're gonna head down the road now. That only took us about an hour, so we're pretty good on time. We're gonna head down the road and we're gonna do Endless Wall Trail, which is one of the more popular hikes around here. We're only gonna do it to the viewpoint. We're not gonna do the entire thing. It's about 3 miles total, and it's supposed to be relatively easy, and it's supposed to have some of the best views in the whole park.
Don't go.
I'm hoping the rain holds off. Right now it's just a little sprinkle. It did downpour for like a minute, but come on.
Oh, wait. This is actually an awesome trail.
It's an awesome trail?
Mm-hmm.
Aw. I'm glad you like it, even though it's muddy and rainy.
Mom, there's a rock the other day.
There's a rocks, yeah.
It's a rock.
Be careful.
Oh, how is
Brian,
it down? There's a rock. Mom, you're not pulling it.
It's going all right. We're gonna go at a slower pace because the kids were letting them walk, but this is supposed to be 1.5 miles there and back. So, total of 3 miles. It's raining a little bit. It's muddy. And the kids are a lot slower than usual, so, which is okay. So this will probably take us like 2 hours, I'm guessing. You think? I was hoping like an hour and a half at most.
Maybe 3 hours.
Maybe 3 hours.
Well, it's 1.5 miles there and back, right?
Yeah.
So we've done a tenth of a mile in 5 minutes.
All right, well, guys, no more looking at anything. Let's pick the pace.
So it might be.
We can't afford to make this last all day.
Might be a 3.
Oh,
Perfect,
yeah.
buddy.
Trying to keep people from falling in the mud too.
Let's go.
Very muddy. We're not going the climbing access route. Some viewpoints you can stop at. You can't see anything though, it's so foggy.
It's gonna flip down the hill.
We made it. Diamond Point Overlook. Let's go.
We go that way.
What do you see?
Beautiful stuff. I'm going down there.
Hold on, hold on.
Also,
You see the white? That's its tail.
Oh,
See, it's moving a little bit. You see his head move, hooked up. He's looking at us.
There's that deer. There's 3.
You see it?
Go ahead.
Meehan?
Go ahead, bud.
You come up with me then.
Please be careful. Good job.
I'm okay.
You okay? Hold on to the sides.
I'm making sure my baby's rubber doesn't get hurt. If you can use that
You
rock.
can just step straight down.
Finally!
Finally, we made it back.
Oh,
That wasn't so bad.
I'm so tired from that long day.
All right, so we finished our hike here at Endless Wall Trail. We just walked to the Diamond Point Overlook and then back. It was about like 3 miles, like what, 2.8 miles, something like that. It took us a little bit less than 2 hours with the kids, and they did walk the entire thing. It was so beautiful. It's so worth it, even though it was raining and muddy, and we're all like wet and muddy now because it downpoured on the way there. Some of the overlooks on the way were a little bit foggy, so we couldn't see anything, but Diamond Point Overlook, we could see everything, and it was so worth it. Definitely say if you're gonna do one thing in New River Gorge, this hike is it. It was so beautiful. The kids loved it. They saw a bunch of birds. We even saw some deer on our walk, so it was a really good time. And
It's so easy for the kids.
yeah, it was so easy. There was a little bit of a hill in some parts, but not like crazy elevation gain. It was pretty flat the whole way, just like really muddy. There were a few small sets of stairs, just to know that, but I mean, our kids are 3 and 5 and they walked the entire thing themselves. Just keep them close, because there are some points where it's kind of like a slope down the gorge, because you're walking like on the edge of the
Overlook.
like
The
yeah,
overlook portion.
especially the overlook portions, yeah, because it's just rocks and then straight down. So when you're at the overlooks, definitely hold the kids' hands and keep them close. Don't let them wander around. A little bit dangerous, but they loved it. We loved it. It was a great time. And it is 12:30 now, so we are gonna drive Fayette Station Drive next, which is like the scenic drive around here. It's a windy road. There's supposed to be some beautiful viewpoints over the gorge, and then we're gonna end our day in Fayetteville and probably grab some lunch and have a little early afternoon, let the kids go back and nap and rest, and then we may go out later to watch the sunset at one of the viewpoints, or we may do that tomorrow. We have another day tomorrow, so that's the plan. Let's get to it. Parked on the side of the road on this drive, and I looked at my phone and there's a short trail to a waterfall, so we're gonna do a quick little side trip since it stopped raining. Wanna go see a waterfall?
Yeah.
Yeah. Slow down. There's a waterfall. Is that cool? I must say something. Grandview. You have arrived.
Oh, let me pick one for you.
So we tried to watch the sunset here at Grandview at the Main Overlook, and it was not the best. I think it's very cloudy and maybe we arrived a little bit too late, but it's a beautiful viewpoint of the gorge, of a horseshoe bend in the gorge. You can see the railroad tracks going around, you can see the river, really beautiful views. It's a huge park. So we had our dinner here on the picnic benches. There's trails, lots of green space to run around. It's a nice park and it's free to enter. So that's a wrap on the day. And we're gonna head in now, and tomorrow we still have a full day here at New River Gorge National Park.